My name is Putri Anjani Dewi, NIM 63251311. Today, I would like to talk about the habit habit. Everyone has bad habits. Some people like to procrastinate, wake up late, spend too much time on social media, or forget to manage their time well. Even though bad habits may look small, they can affect our future and daily life. In my opinion, changing bad habit is not easy, but it is very important. We need discipline and strong motivation. For example, if we usually wake up late, we can start by sleeping early and setting an alarm. If we often waste time playing games or scrolling social media, we should try to use our time for studying, reading books, or doing production activities. Changing bad habits also help us improve our personality and achieve our goals. Good habits can make our life happier and more successful. We do not need to change everything at once. We can start from small things and do things consistently every day. In conclusion, everyone should change their bad habit if they really want to. The key is commitment, discipline, and petition. Let us start becoming a better version of ourselves. From today, thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present about sequence efforts. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning, foundation, explain the high importance of sequence effort in daily communication. Let's begin. Nah, definition of sequence efforts. Sequence efforts are words or pressure that are asked to show the order of action, event, or activity. These efforts help speakers and readers explain something step by step so people can understand the process clear and easy. Yeah. Sequence efforts are commonly used in directive instruction, cooking tips, storytelling, tutorials, and presentation. Some explain are first, next, then after that at final. Function of sequence efforts. Nah, sequence efforts have important function in communication. They help people explain action in the correct order and make information easier to understand. High function of sequence efforts are explain to show how to order activities, to explain intrusion clear, to organize Indian system, to connect an action to another, and to make communication more effective. Without such efforts, explanation may sound confusion. Common sequence efforts. Sequence efforts first, second, next, then after that at final. Meaning the beginning, the second step, the following step, after something, the next activity. Using Fritz. Fritz is also to begin an activity or process. It's so the starting point of an action. For example, 1. Fritz watch your hearts. 2. Fritz, I prepare my books. We also use Fritz at the beginning of a sentence. Pushing next. Next is also to explain the action that comes after the first step. It helps continue the process in others. Explain. Next, pour the water into the glass. Next, I wear my school uniform. Using 10. 10 is also to show another activity after the previous on. Is It's commonly as in introduction and storytelling pattern. 10 beginning sentence. Explain. 10 mix all the ingredients. Then we continue the discussion. Then I go to the library. Then make sentence sound connection and natural. Pushing after that is also to explain the next step after another action has happened. It also introduction after activity and longer explanation. Pattern after that beginning sentence. Explain after that clean the table. After that we watch a movie together. This sequence effort is also full for explaining activities in detail. Ocean Finale. Finale is also for the last step or ending of a process is so that there are no more steps after it. Pattern final beginning sentence. Explain final serve the vote. Finally, we arrived at the destination. Final helps listening know that the process is finishing. Sequence effort in daily activities. Sequence efforts are often used to explain daily routines. Explain. First, I wake up early in the morning. Next, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast with my family. After that, I prepare my books. Final, I go to campus. Us sequence efforts makes daily activities easier to understand. Sequence effort in cooking and creation. Sequence efforts are commonly used in recipes and cooking and creation because cooking requires clear step. Expel, freeze, prepare the ingredients. Next, heat the frying pan. Then cook the noodle for 5 minutes. After that, add seasoning. Finally, serve the food at a plate. With hot sequence effort, cooking and creation may become confusion. Sequence effort in storytelling. Sequence effort are also useful in storytelling because they help explain events in chronological order. Explain. Yesterday, I visited my grandmother. First, I went to the bus station. Next, I bought a ticket. Then, I traveled for 2 hours. After that, I arrived at her house Vina. We had dinner together. Importance of sequence efforts. Sequence efforts are important because they make communication clear. They help people understand intuition. They organize ideas proper. They improve speaking and writing skills. They connect action logical. Many people use sequence efforts in presentation, tutorial, and conversation. Common mistake. Incorrect. Then Fritz I study. Correct. Fritz I study. Then I write. Incorrect. Final I wake up. Correct. Final I go to sleep. Collection, secret effort I work us to solve the order of action or event. They are very useful for explaining interaction processes, stories, and daily activities, clear and systematical. Common sequence effort include Fritz, net, after that, final. By using sequence effort correction, combination becomes easier to understand. Thank you. See you next time, everyone.